and open your mind to the things you're going to learn here, because the people that are going to teach you are people who understand these things more than we do, whether we like it or not. That's number one. Number two is that you're going to get the opportunity to ask questions. So all those things that people see outside, for instance, people say things like, okay, the only thing he's doing is they're exploiting us and the rest of just all this mindset, just pack everything and just throw them somewhere far away from you and then prepare to learn something new.
What is needed from you most importantly is your dedication and commitment. So all the late coming and some other things like that. So it isn't something that should be showing up. So you all need to showcase the fact that you have registered for this summer school willingly and no one has forced you to do so. The EU summer school is free, but nonetheless demanding of some things like your strong dedication, commitment, and the willingness to learn.
For the second summer school, the second year after the summer school. And like everyone has said, really, the main thing is commitment, dedication, determination, your willingness, and having to put your all into this.
The expectation from the students and the participants of this program is that at the end of the day, we want to get them informed about at least the culture and then institutions of Europe and how that can be used to enhance the African and these parliamentary systems, and again to allow students to be able to explore opportunities that are available in the global economy. Africans cannot live in isolation, and beyond that, our young ones who are coming up again, we need to build democratic values in them, and that's the purpose of the mock parliament we are doing. And again, the EU-African connectivity we're trying to do, Africa is trying to build an EU as well. We want to build an African trade organization as well. So we need to learn from others who have done this successfully, and the EU provide a platform for them.
Thank you very much.